Today we're talking about two new Google video SEO strategies that are sure to boost your visibility in the Google search engine. Let's dive into it. Before you get started, make sure to click the notification bell and make sure to subscribe so that you can get more videos like this in the future. Okay, so there's two new methods that you can use to get your videos more visible inside of Google search. Both of these new methods were announced at Google I/O recently. These two new types of structured data are called clip markup and seek markup, and they are something that every video SEO professional needs to know about. So let's start with the first one. What is clip markup? Well, here it is. So clip markup is used to manually tell Google about timestamps and certain labels used for key moments inside of a video. You can tell Google about this inside of the properties of your video object. Now, the properties aren't necessarily required, and basically what this allows you to do is pull out a specific clip to ask Google to use, opposed to having Google just grab whatever clip that they want. Now let's talk about the second one, seek markup. What is that? So this one tells Google how your URL structure works, so it can find out the right moments that are automatically identified in your video and nest the following properties in your video object. That's a quote straight from Search Engine Land. So essentially what it does is it allows Google to link to a point within your video. Now, seek markup is coming soon. It's not live yet. Just in case you want to get a little bit more information, let's go ahead and pull the definitions up on the screen. Here's what clip markup is. Here's what seek markup is. This is what they look like. These are two new important video SEO tactics that you can use to get your videos more visible inside of Google search. Hope you have a great one. See you next time. Bye.